Hey, my friends, do y'all remember me telling you that right after Thanksgiving, I was gonna be running some videos with ways for y'all to use up your leftover turkey? Well, this is one of those recipes that I wanna share with you. And it's really tasty, especially if you're a curry lover. So, the first thing we're gonna do, and this truly is a dump and stir. You have to cut up your onions and maybe chop your pecans, but these are dried cranberries. Oh.
You spilled your curry.
I just lost my curry.
I think you just got done saying you thought you had too much, so there you go.
I thought it was a little much. So I'm gonna start with a half a cup of mayonnaise. And I'm just not even gonna measure it. And we're using good old Duke's. Now this is a Southern mayonnaise for sure. It's got that little twang to it that we like. All right, so I need a tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm just gonna try to pop these seeds out, a few of those seeds. And now I'm just gonna run that through my fingers and try to catch any of the lemon seed. And I think that's surely a tablespoon. And then we're gonna add our curry. Uh-oh, I got a lemon seed in that. And my recipe calls for 2 teaspoons of curry, but I think 1 teaspoon is gonna be just fine, especially since I just spilt my curry. So we're just gonna mix this together. We're gonna add in our scallions, green onions or spring onions, whatever you call them. We've always called them spring onions down here. All right, I'm adding my toasted pecans that have been chopped, my dried cranberry, and my 4 cups of turkey. Uh-oh, Teresa.
What are you doing?
This is
I think
not...
we need a bigger bowl.
I think this bowl's not gonna be big enough, and I told you it was, but it's not. So do we have a little bigger bowl? This is such a nice salad to...
This is a lot bigger, but...
Oh, thank you, that's all right. I'd rather have too much and not need it than, you know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, and need it and not have it. So this is great. You know, we really hadn't moved back in this house, but we got the kitchen. I say we. Eddie. Eddie got the kitchen done so that we can at least shoot our shows out of here. Okay. So we don't have all of our supplies here yet. So if we look kind of goofy looking for stuff, that's why. This looks good. Now you know what? I'm gonna finish emptying out this mayonnaise, because when we refrigerate this, that turkey's gonna drink up that little bit of mayonnaise. So you might need to add some more a little later. But this looks so good. And this is so tasty. Like, just mound it up on some butter lettuce with crackers. Or I love to serve it with those little miniature sour cream biscuits. They're so good. So that's all there is to it. Another delicious, easy way to use up that leftover turkey. That curry powder just and the lemon juice just brings that turkey to a whole new level, Teresa. I think y'all gonna love it, and I hope you'll try it. But you won't be disappointed. Yoo-hoo, turkey.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.